This is an extract from our Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something.
Difficult to.
Totally, Connie. Totally. Yeah, depending on the task you're assigning it, depending on the topics you're working in, and yeah, I agree. Very hard. Which is why I took the easy route and just said, let's just at least this is something, right? Like, and it's it's not in objective. I'm sorry, it is objective. It's not subjective. The other one, that'll be
Right.
very subjective. That'll be difficult. I guess we could build a score to score, and then get the code we get back to score the results. But yeah, so I thought that was really cool.
And you might look at how many, you'd probably have to take a project you were going to start and see how many iterations it took to get the right answer.
Right, right.
Uh,
Yeah, it makes it okay. Yeah,
but it seems to that obviously if you start off with 4.5, you're good. If you can get the job done fairly quickly, that's the way to go.
well, yeah, and it doesn't. But that's where it gets. But hey, I'm just gonna. I watched a really good video. I'll send the at some point. It's actually not. It was a live thing, but from Sabrina. But talking about loops and setting goals, and she walked through, had some really good examples of just like how to think about it. But the checking of your did you achieve your goal, that you could absolutely be using Haiku for that usually, right? It's a super simple. Usually, it's a very simple thing just to check. Did this happen? Is this did this occur? And there's no reason to be using a really smart model, unless you don't have very clear goals, right? But you should have clear goals when you're doing those things. Yeah.